Lightning strikes Earth 100 times every single second. Hey, have you ever wondered what's happening in the sky right now at this very second? Well, get ready for this. Lightning is striking somewhere on Earth. Not just once, not just a few times, but literally happening right now as I'm talking to you. Here's the mind-blowing part. Every single second, about 100 lightning bolts crash down to Earth. That's not a typo. 100 every single second. If you think about it, that means in just one day there are 8 million lightning strikes. That's like if every person in a huge city got struck by lightning thousands of times over. But wait, there's more. Each lightning bolt is so incredibly hot that it's actually hotter than the surface of the sun. The sun! And these bolts zoom through the sky at 270,000 miles per hour. That's faster than any race car, faster than any jet plane. It's almost as fast as light itself. So here's the crazy thing to remember. Right now, as you're watching this video, lightning is striking Earth somewhere, at this very moment. That's the power and the wonder of our amazing planet. Isn't that incredible? Nature is incredible. Subscribe to Mind Blows for more mind-bending facts that will blow your brain wide open.